Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Top Technical Guide. Today we will be learning how can we be able to know our type of RAM, whether it is DDR1, DDR2, 3 or 4 without tearing up your laptop. So there are various methods. First method is, first of all, you have to go to Run or press Windows key and R so that the Run window pops up here, and type ts-mzr. It's a task manager. So here go to Performance and Memory. So we can see the options are CPU, memory, disks, Wi-Fi, Ethernet, but here we need to choose memory, and at the side of the memory we used to have type of the RAM would be mentioned here on the right side, but it's not here in Windows 8. So there's another way we can know about our RAM. So the next method is, if it's not there, you can also go to Chrome browser and type CPU-Z free download for Windows. Enter, and here you can click on this tab, the second link. It's loading. And link is also given in the description. You can go there and click and download free. And it's taking too much of time. Okay, it's here. It's loading. So here it says download now. Click over here. Download. It downloads the exe file, the setup file. So it will be downloaded. After download, what we can do is, the setup file is here. So double click on it. Yes, I agree. Next, install. Okay, I don't want to install because it's already installed in my laptop. So you can go ahead and press install and finish it. So after that, here this icon will be on the desktop. So double click and open it. It will take a little bit of time to restore everything, to collect all the data present in the laptop. So here you can see lot of tabs here, like CPU, CACs, mainboard, memory, SPD, graphics, paints, about. So if you want to know which type of RAM you have installed in your laptop or computer, you go to memory, and here in the general it says type and size. You can also know the size. So the type here is DDR3 and the size is 4 gigabytes, 4 GB. Okay, it's single. So in this way you can know what type of RAM is installed in your computer or laptop. So thank you so much for watching. Please do subscribe the channel, like the video, and if you have any queries regarding any technical questions, you can comment on below. I'll be answering as quick as possible. Thank you.